I'm Spencer, and this is part 3 on my Crossfire setup tutorial. If you haven't seen the first 2 parts, I recommend you go look at the YouTube playlist. In this video, we'll be customizing Crossfire to work for racing. Let's take a look. Team Black Sheep has written a white paper on best practices when racing with multiple pilots. Basically, you want to reduce interference by turning off telemetry when you have more than a few people flying together. When you turn off telemetry, you turn Crossfire from a two-way protocol to a one-way protocol. Because you only have one-way communication, there's no way to do dynamic wattage selection. So your Crossfire will automatically max out where your wattage is, either 100 milliwatts on the micro or 500 milliwatts on the larger, older version. The white paper also says that race organizers can tell if people are running with telemetry turned on based on a big green ring on the back of their transmitter. However, I find that that's not quite true on the micro version. I'm not sure if this is a software bug or just a misdocumentation issue. My Crossfire transmitter shows up as green regardless if I have telemetry turned on or off. That's unfortunate. I hope they'll fix that in a future version. To turn off telemetry, we need to go into the Lua scripts. I'll press and hold that center button until I get to screen 1 of 9, page to get to 2 of 9, Crossfire, come down to the Crossfire Lua script, press and hold to execute, and then scroll down to RX, and then come down to telemetry and turn that off. Notice that force RF 50 Hz will almost always force itself to be on. That's expected. Go ahead and hit exit, repeat that for every quad you have, and now you are not going to mess up anyone else when you're racing. If this has been helpful, please consider hitting the like button. If you have any issues, leave a comment and we'll figure it out. Thanks for watching.